I'm sitting here inside a beautiful 2021 Kia Sorento, and it's beautiful because it's black, but that also makes it hot. Now, one feature that we have in a lot of our newer vehicles that I wanted to talk about today is the ventilated seat function. I'm sure you're familiar with heated seats, and there's a little bit more confusion with ventilated seats. It's a bit newer of a feature. So what it does is if you get in your car and it's hot and it's a day like today, then there's actually an air conditioning motor built into your seat, micro perforations in the leather. So if you look, there's small holes throughout. And if you engage the ventilated seats, it'll actually blow air out through those micro perforations to help cool you down on a hot day like today. Now, it's not only available in the Sorento, you can find it in the Telluride, as well as the Sportage and the Forte K5. Most of our newer models will have availability for this feature. So if you're looking for a car that'll cool you down, call or stop by today.